Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. How are you? I hope you all are fine and well at home. My dear students, I hope that you all are enjoying these classes with us, and I hope that you all are completing your given tasks, your given assignments. Okay? And if you are having difficulty, so remember, don't stress, just do your best and just forget the rest. Okay? Because when you are in stress, you cannot do anything in a better way. Okay? So just don't be stressed. Okay? So again, let me introduce myself. This is your teacher, Ms. Rida. Now, welcome to your third geometry session. This is our third geometry session. So what we have learned in second geometry session, let's see. In last session, we were discussing chapter 11, geometry, right? So we have already discussed basic concepts of geometry, in which we discuss points, line segments, straight lines, rays, right? And we have discussed definition of angles, we have discussed complementary and supplementary angles. Do you remember that how can we define angle? The union of two non-collinear and concurrent rays is called an angle. Here you can see that non-collinear means the rays that do not lie on the same line, and concurrent means the rays that meet on one point. So, when two rays, non-collinear rays, meet on one point, they form an angle, right? I can say that this is angle ABC or simply angle B, remember? Now today we are going to learn some kind of angles. Number one, acute angle. When the angle is less than 90 degrees, just call an acute angle like this. Here you can see that angle ABC or angle B is less than 90 degrees. Am I right? Is it? Here you can see that 90 degree. Where is 90 degree? If I draw angle like this, there is right angle. Okay. Now, when it is less than 90 degree, then the angle, here you can see that angle is less than 90 degree, then it is called acute angle. Okay. Now, what is right angle? Here you can see that the diagram. From the diagram, it is clear that when the angle is of 90 degree, it is called right angle. Okay? Obtuse angle. Now let's see the diagram. Now here you can see that this is 90 degree. Okay? 90 degree. Here you can see that this is 90 degree. Now the angle between 90 degree and 180 degree, that means if I draw the line over, if I draw the straight line over there, it is called, here if I draw the line over here, it forms an angle of 180 degree, right? So the angle between 90 till 180, that is called an obtuse angle. Okay. Now what is a straight angle? As I told you that here, if I draw an angle from here, from the starting, if I draw an angle from here till here, we get the straight line. So this angle is called straight angle. Why? Because both the arms of the straight angle lie on a straight line. Here you can see that It shows the straight line, single straight line, but it is not. It is not a single straight line. It is, here you can see that here, two rays are there. Okay, two rays lie on a straight line. It forms the straight angle. A straight angle is equals to 180 degree. Okay, straight angle is equals to 180 degree. Now, reflex angle. Now let's see the diagram. Here, when the angle is between 180 to 360. Okay, when the angle is between, for example, here is 180. Okay, so the angle between here, an angle between 180 till 360, this is called the reflex angle. Okay, this is called the reflex angle, right? Now next is complete angle. Complete means here. Look at the diagram carefully, students. Here, if we start from here till end, that means this is a complete rotation, right? So this is called the complete angle. An angle of 360 degree. When we take a complete rotation, we get 360 degree angle, right? So an angle of 360 degree is called a complete angle, right? An angle of 360 degree is called complete angle. Got it? Now, what is plane? Students, plane mean a flat surface. Okay? Flat surface. Now, at least three non-collinear points determine a plane geometrical figure. What does it mean? It means, for example, if you are having three non-collinear points, let's see the diagram. Here you can see that three non-collinear points. Point number 1, point number 2, and point number 3. You need at least three non-collinear points. Are these points non-collinear? Yes. Okay. We need at least three non-collinear points. Why it is written that at least? Because less than three non-collinear points. For example, if I'm having two non-collinear points, can I form a geometrical figure? Can I form a rectangle? Can I form a triangle with these 2 points? Let's draw. No, we can draw only a straight line or ray. Okay, so at least we need how many points? I need at least 3 points. Here you can see that if I have 3 points, I can draw a geometrical figure like this. Is it clear? How many points? How many minimum points I required? I required at least 3 non-collinear points to determine a geometrical figure. Okay. Why is it written at least? Because minimum I need 3. Okay. More than 3. If I have more than 3, we get a quadrilateral. Here you can see that 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 non-collinear points give you a geometrical figure of quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals, what are quadrilaterals? Having 4 sides. Is it clear? So, this is very important points for your objectives, that at least 3 non-collinear points determine a plane geometrical figure. Just write it down, note it down. Now, coplanar lines. Okay, now the lines, co means on the same. Okay, co means on the same. Plane means on a plane, and line means line. So the line that lie on the same plane. So simple. Here you can see that lines, coplanar lines. Okay, so the lines that lie on the same plane are called coplanar lines. That means here you can see that the plane. If the line that lie on this plane, they are called coplanar lines. Okay? Is it clear? So what are coplanar lines? The lines that lie on a same plane. Now let's discuss what are parallel and intersecting lines. Now, parallel lines. Any two coplanar lines having same distance between them are called parallel lines. My dear student, for example, here you can see the diagram of two parallel lines. Okay, here you can see the diagram. Just look at the diagram carefully. If I take these 2 points, the distance will same. If I take these 2 points, the distance remains same. Okay, for example, if it is 2 centimeter, this distance will also be of 2 centimeter. This distance will also be of 2 centimeter. So, can I say that any two coplanar lines means two lines that lie in the same plane. Okay? Two coplanar lines having same distance between them are called parallel lines. Okay? That means two lines having same distance between them are called parallel lines. Is it clear? Now what about intersecting lines? Now look at the intersecting diagram carefully. Here, if I take these 2 points, the distance is, for example, 3 centimeter. My dear, if I take these 2 points, is it of 3 centimeter? Is it? No. Now, what about these 2 points? Is it of 3 centimeter? No. That means if two lines have different distance between them, okay, they are called intersecting lines. When same distance between them, they are called parallel. Okay, and when different distance between them, they are called intersecting lines. From the diagram, it's very clear that here two lines are intersecting. So how can we define it? That two lines having different distance between them. Okay, now how can, for example, if in your paper I give you the question, just write two difference. So this is the difference number 1. This is the main definition. Now how can you write one more difference? Now here from the diagram you can see that if line AB is there, if I extend this line, you can see if I extend this line, it will move like this. Okay, if I extend CD, it will extend like this. Am I right? Can they intersect each other? No, they do not intersect each other. Am I right? Parallel lines do not intersect each other. Okay, and what about intersecting lines? Intersecting lines meet each other at one point. Intersecting lines meet each other at one point. Okay, and where they can meet? You can see the diagram. From the diagram, it's clear that intersecting lines meet at one point, that is O. Am I right? So, what are parallel lines? Parallel lines do not intersect each other, and intersecting lines meet each other at a single point. And the point here, you can see that this is O. Okay. Now, symbolically, we can write two parallel straight lines like this, AB with two arrows. As you know that straight lines can be denoted by two arrowheads, and CD with two arrowheads. So two lines are there, and if I have to denote two parallel lines, I have to make the symbol this. Is it clear? Here, this symbol is used for the parallel lines. How can I read that? AB, straight line AB is parallel to CD. Okay? A straight line AB is parallel to straight line CD. Clear, everybody? Now, how can you define the parallel lines and intersecting lines? In this way, you can give the definition, and if I ask you to write the difference, write down the two difference, you can write the difference like this, and you can draw the diagram as well. Okay? Now, what is Playfair axiom? Now, let's discuss what is Playfair axiom. Now, let's discuss the diagram first. My dear, for example, I have one straight line over there. Okay, this is line segment. Am I right? Having two endpoints. This is called line segment. Okay, if two line segments are there like this, so two line segments are intersecting each other. Am I right? Yes. Okay, so two line segments intersecting each other. Now tell me one thing, that these two intersecting lines can parallel to the third line. Exactly not. They cannot be parallel. For example, if I want to draw a parallel line for these two intersecting lines. Okay, let me draw like this. Is this line parallel to both of these lines? No. This line is parallel to this line, but it's not parallel to second one. You can see the diagram. It's parallel to first line, but it is not parallel to the second one. Am I right? Now, if I want to draw a parallel line with this line, for example, line number 2. Okay. Now, this line is parallel to line number 2, but it is not parallel to line number 1. Am I right? Can I draw any one line that is parallel to both intersecting lines? Obviously not. Now let me tell you again. Let me explain you again. Here, from the diagram, you can see that if these AB and EF, two intersecting lines are there, what I want to draw one line that is parallel to both. Parallel to both. I can draw parallel line like this, but it is not parallel to EF. It is parallel to AB, but it is not parallel to EF. Okay, so what can I do? I can draw one more parallel line. Now, this line is parallel to EF, but it is not parallel to AB. That means it's simply not possible for us to draw a line that is parallel to two intersecting line. This is called our Playfair axiom. Okay, what is Playfair axiom? According to this axiom, two intersecting lines. Two intersecting lines means line AB and line EF. Here you can see that line AB and line EF. Two intersecting lines cannot be parallel to the third line. Cannot be parallel to third line. Third line is, here you can see that CT. Clear? What is Playfair axiom? Playfair axiom, according to this axiom, two intersecting lines cannot be parallel to third one. Clear, my dear? Now, in the last lecture, we have already discussed complementary angles and supplementary angles. So, what are complementary angles? Two angles whose sum is 90 degrees. And here you can see the diagram. When the sum is equals to 90 degrees, it's called complementary angles. When the sum equals to 180 degrees, it's called supplementary angles. Now, here, let's solve the question. For example, find the value of x in the diagram. Okay? Students, listen to me carefully first. I am going to show you that how can we solve the question. Then you have to solve the question. Okay? And you have to share your answers. So, look at the question, look at the solution carefully. Find the value of x in the diagram. Now here, the diagram, you can see that x and 2x is over there. Okay, how can we find the value of x? From the diagram, it's clear that these two angles sum is equals to 90 degrees. So, First of all, I can give the reason that according to complementary angles. Okay, according to complementary angles. Why I have written that? Because here you can see that these two angles gives the sum of 90 degree. Okay, so I can say that according to complementary angle. First of all, you have to give the reason that according to which angle you are doing the steps. Okay, if you are finding something, first you have to mention that according to which condition, according to which angle you are solving the steps. Now here, according to complementary angles, x plus 2x is equals to 90 degree. Am I right? X plus 2x is equals to 90 degree. Okay. Now, look at this step carefully. X plus 2x. Same variables are there. Can we add these two variables? Exactly, we can add them because they are like terms, because same variables are there. So x plus 2x, that means 1x plus 2x is equals to 3x. Okay, 3x. 3x is equals to 90 degree. Now, I want only x over there. So 3 is multiplying with the x. What can I do? If 3 is multiplying over here, if 3 is multiplying in the next step, I can divide it with 90 degree. If 3 is multiplying with x and I want to find the value of x, 3 will going to be divided over there. Okay, for example, if 3 is divided over here, so it will be multiplied with 90. Clear? Now, x is equals to 90 degree upon 3. Remember that we have to write 3 in the division. That means 90 divided by 30, not 3 divided by 90. So 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, and 0. So we get x is equals to 30 degree. Clear? Now to make your concept more clear, let's take one more question. Let's share one more question with you. Now for example, again, you have to find the value of x. Okay, find the value of x in the diagram. Students, first of all, before solving the question, you have to look at the diagram very carefully. Okay, now just look at the diagram. From the diagram, it is very clear that here these two angles, if I add these two angles, these two angles sum give us 180 degree. When two angles gives the sum of 180 degree, these two angles are called supplementary angle. Am I right? Okay. So first of all, I have to write according to supplementary angle. Students, first we have to mention the reason. Okay. First we have to mention that if we are finding the angle, so according to which condition we are finding. Okay. So according to supplementary angles, x plus 3x is equals to 180 degree. Okay. Here, x and 3x is written over here. Okay. So I have written x plus 3x is equals to 180 degree. For example, here x and 5x is written over there. Then what will I write if there is written x plus x and 5x? Then I will write x plus 5x is equals to 180 degree. Is it clear? First of all, what you have to write? According to supplementary. Why supplementary? Because it gives the sum of 180 degree. Okay? It gives the sum of 180 degree. So, step number 1 is according to supplementary angle. So, I get x plus 3x is equals to 180 degree. Now, 1x plus 3x is equals to 1 plus 3, 4 and x. Okay, now I need only x. So I want to remove this 4 from here. 4 is multiplying over here. So in the next step, it will be going to be divided with 180. So I have to write 180 divided by 4. Not 4 divided by 180, please. Okay. So 180 divided by 4 give you x is equals to 45 degree. And that's we want. We want to find the value of x. So we get x is equals to 45 degree. Clear, everybody? Now, ready, my dear? Now it's my turn to ask questions from you all. Are you ready for the questions? Now, okay. Now, rays that do not lie on the same line are called dash rays. For your convenience, I have given answer number 1. Answer number 1 is non-collinear rays. Okay. Now I want you to just solve. I want you all to just mention the answers in the chat box. Okay. Very good, student. But I want you all to mention. Yes, I want you all to mention the bit number also. Okay. Bit number. Okay. So answer number 2 is collinear points. Now let's see. Very good. Collinear point. What about 3? A dash has no dimension. A dash has, very good. Let's see. A point has no dimension. What about 4? A dash has 2 endpoints. A dash has 2 endpoints. A line has 2 endpoints. No. I'm talking about endpoints, my dear. Straight line having no endpoint. Remember? Have a straight line having 2 arrowheads. No, exactly not. Line segment. Very, very good. Very good. A line segment having 2 endpoints. Now, what about number 5? Quickly answer me. 2 angles whose sum is 90 degrees is called, very good, complementary angles. Now, here, write the complement of the given angle. Now, I want you to share your answer. Just find the complement of 65 and share your answer bitwise properly. At the same time, I'm taking your attendance. Just share your answers with me. Okay. Today, I'm going to give you assignment also. Okay. Now, so I am getting the answers. Answer number 1 is coming. Okay, now let's see the answers. Very good. Answer number 1 is 25 and answer number 2 is 60 degrees, sorry. Answer number 2 is 60 degrees. Now let's see here. You can also find the supplement. Supplement means you have to subtract it from 180 degrees. So, answer number 1 is 15. Okay, now let's see. And answer number 2 is 90. Very good. 15 and excellent. Excellent. Now, next question. Find the value of x in the given diagram. Now, here you can see the diagram. Now, first of all, tell me according to which angle we have to solve this question. According to which angle we have to solve this question? Supplementary or complementary? Very good. Very good. Now, so, very good. So, according to complementary angles, we get x plus 5x is equals to, are you getting me? Are you solving with me? Okay. Now, x plus 5x is equals to 6x. Very good. Now, Shero's given me the answer 15. Very good. So, here you can see that. So simple question is there. 6 is going to be divided with 90 and we get x is equals to 15. Okay. For example, student, if in the question, we have to find the value of y. So, in the diagram, y is over there. So, you have to write y here. So, y is equals to 15 degree. Clear? Now, the next question is x plus 5x. Now, according to which angle? According to which angle? Supplementary, very good. According to supplementary angles. Now, x plus 5x is equals to what? X plus 5x is equals to what? 180 degree and 180 degree divided by 6, we get the answer 30. Excellent. Now, here you can see exercise 11.1, we have discussed all the definitions. So, I hope you can easily complete question 1 and question 2 in your book. Properly listen to me. What you have to do, you have to complete question number 1 of exercise 11.1, question 1 and question 2 in your book. Okay? You have to complete these 2 questions in your book. Is it clear? Okay? And today I will give you some questions of 11.2 for your assignments plus theorem number 1. You have to solve theorem number 1 as it is. Okay? Now let me share theorem with you. I will give you assignment in which the theorem is written like this. Okay, properly I have written the theorem. What you have to do? You have to maintain your index. You have to write down midterm properly in your geometry copy. Okay, then you have to write theorem number 1. In index number 1, you have to write theorem number 1. You have to make the title page of theorem. And students, in this way, please, you have to write the theorem as it is. Please don't even change this A, B, C, D. You have to make the proper diagram. If your diagram will be wrong, your whole theorem will be wrong. Okay? So just copy down the theorem as it is. Okay? I will upload it today. Okay? You have to just copy down this theorem number 1 properly and just try to learn it. Just practice this theorem properly. Okay, as I know that this theorem is properly clear to you, am I right? What you have to do, you have to draw the diagram exactly in this way and you have to write down theorem in this way. Is it clear? Okay. Is it clear? So what you have to do today, you have to, in your geometry copy, you have to solve theorem. Okay, in your book, you have to solve question 1 of 11.1 and question 2, and I will give you some question of complementary and supplementary, the questions which you have already solved with me. So it will not be a big deal for you. Okay. Now, so let's solve question number 2 together. Okay. I want you to solve question number 2 with me. Now, question number 2, fill in the blanks. A point has dash dimensions. Subhana, inshallah on Monday. Student, is there any confusion regarding this lecture? Okay, I think you can easily complete this question 1 and 2 by yourself. No, thank you so much. Okay. Now, my dear, just take care of yourself and thank you so much. Again, thank you so much for being such an awesome and amazing student. My dear, just take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.